Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to change your profile picture on Discord using your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you're ready to customize your profile. Next, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. This is your gateway to updating your profile. Now, you'll see a menu appear. Tap on Edit Profile. This will take you to the settings where you can make changes to your account. In the Edit Profile section, tap on your current profile picture. It's time to select a fresh, new image. You'll then see the option that says Change Avatar. Tap on this option, and it will open up your gallery, allowing you to choose a picture you love. Once you've selected your new image, don't forget to tap the check icon at the top right to confirm your choice. This step is crucial to ensure your new picture is saved. Finally, you'll need to tap Save at the top right of the screen. This action finalizes your changes and updates your profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord profile picture. Now you can show off your unique style with your friends and community. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new look on Discord.